Bengaluru and San Francisco-based Emergent, founded by Mukund and Madhav Jha, is now in advanced talks to raise up to $250 million. Leading the round, Kyrgyz, alongside existing global investors. And if this closes, Emergent becomes one of India's fastest AI unicorns ever. But here's what's catching everyone's attention. This company was valued at $300 million less than 3 months ago. Emergent is building what Mukund calls agentic vibe coding. You describe the app, and AI agents design, code, deploy, and even fix the bugs. Just intent leading to software. And it's working. 1.5 million applications built, users across 180 countries, from small business owners to global builders. So what has Emergent hit? $25 million ARR doubled to $100 million ARR in just weeks, all within months of launch. But this is where things get very interesting. These numbers are annualized run rates, not audited revenue. And just like, well, we are seeing globally with AI companies, how revenue is reported is becoming, well, a debate. We just spoke to Rocket founder Vishal Virani just yesterday, of course, and he was telling me to be not a fan of showing flaunting of ARRs or revenue numbers. He believes in product, serious enterprise customers, and their outcomes. And that, of course, believes what I feel speaks for itself. This isn't just about one startup. India is progressively becoming a factory for agentic AI companies. Sarvam AI raising $1.5 billion. Emergent heading the same way. Global capital flooding in, and of course the thesis is, if AI removes the need to code, the next billion builders don't need to be developers. Now, of course, let's take a look what is happening globally. Players like Cursor, Replete, Lovable are chasing this space. But Emergent's edge is that it owns the entire life cycle, which is build, deploy, debug, maintain, all handled by AI agents, and proudly built from India and scaling globally. It is actually quite remarkable to witness a small engineering team shipping faster than global incumbents and backed by some of the biggest names in Silicon Valley. And if you're all set, here is the front page take. Clearly, this points towards the fact that India is finally exporting AI native software platforms. And if this space continues, very soon, we will all cherish the fact that Sarvam wasn't a one-off. And more emphatically, Emergent won't be the last. Please do let us know about your thoughts for this fabulous development in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.